Welding, safety and performance go hand in hand. Safety is the first step toward perfection in welding. Our welders begin every project by equipping themselves with high-quality personal protective equipment to ensure their safety and focus on delivering excellence. We believe the foundation of excellence begins with the people who bring it to life, our welders.
मी स्टेनलेस स्टीलची वेल्डिंग केलेली आहे. एसएस वेल्डिंग केल्यानंतर जो स्लॅग आहे तो इझिली निघालेला आहे. स्पॅटर पण खूप कमी आलेले आहेत आणि परफेक्ट म्हणजे वेल्ड झाल्यानंतर परफेक्ट वेल्ड सीम दिसत आहे.
According to me, is a weld deposit without any defects, having highest amount of integrity and a very good aesthetic appearance. Such a uniformity across the weld length is of paramount importance, and one can achieve such a perfect weld seam when you have the perfect combination of welding equipment and welding consumables.
Roller welding. Perfect weld seam is the result of teamwork. Our welders, engineers and experts work hand in hand, combining skill, knowledge and innovation to deliver excellence. Together, we are shaping the future of welding, one seam at a time.
First Alpina, one step ahead.